Hey guys, I'm Stephanie, and this is Steph Stove. And if you're looking for an easy summer drink this summer that everyone will be saying, ooh, what's in this? Or, hey, can I have the recipe? This one's for you. It's perfect for backyard barbecues, summer gatherings, hanging out at the pool or the lake. And the version we're gonna do today is family friendly. However, you can easily adjust that to make an adult friendly version as well. Super easy to make, not very expensive, and delicious. So let me show you how to do it. All right, I've got a 1 gallon jug here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my funnel in it. We're gonna start off with tropical punch Kool-Aid, so we know it's gonna be good and fruity. You're gonna use 1 cup, or you're gonna fill it up to where it says make 2 quarts within the cap. Let me get this out. Try to get it as close to that line as you can. This is why I use the funnel, so everything will go in there nicely. And the good thing about if you get these, you'll be able to make this about 3 times with it. Then I want to dissolve the Kool-Aid portion, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now you don't have to add the water to it. I think it needs it because it's extremely sweet, and it does help to dissolve that Kool-Aid. So I'm gonna swirl that around, get that Kool-Aid good and dissolved. So you can see it's gonna have this pretty bright red color, perfect for summertime holidays. It's real pretty. 4th of July, real pretty. All right, get that dissolved around. Then put my funnel back in. We are going to add to it some pineapple juice. Make sure you're using real pineapple juice. Doesn't matter what brand it is, but make sure it is real pineapple juice. Give this a shake so we get all of those little bits in there. I'm going to measure out. We want 3 cups pineapple juice. Then we are going to take and add to that 3 cups of ginger ale. Now, if you don't like ginger ale, or you're not a fan of ginger ale, you can use Sprite. You can use 7-Up, but I kind of like the neutral flavor, in my opinion, that ginger ale gives to it. And again, I do measure these out so I can get a good measure. And then if I need to adjust, I always like to go back and adjust. About 3 cups of ginger ale. And yes, it does make a mess. Not to worry, because we'll clean it up later. See all that good carbonated fizz coming to the top? So now all we do is shake it up. And be real careful of that carbonation. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Look at that beautiful punch and that gorgeous color. So let's open it up and get ready to serve it. All right, after it's sat for a few minutes, because remember we don't want to open it immediately because of the carbonation. We don't want it to come back on us. We are going to pour this out and give it a taste. Look at that pretty. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Perfect, perfect punch. Look at that. Delicious. I'm Stephanie, and this has been Steph Stove, where today we made this. Look at that pretty party punch. Ooh, fizzy, tropical. Taste that pineapple in there, that tropical punch Kool-Aid. Ooh, that tastes like summertime, super refreshing, and just delicious to hit the spot. Absolutely, hands down. Summertime in a cup. So I do hope you try this with your family as well. It's fun. It's a family friendly version. You can adjust it if you choose. I personally don't drink, but if you do want to make an adult version, you can do it very easily. So remember, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button for more great content like this. Steph Stove, we're making memories one dish at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.